Hey students, good morning everyone. This is the fourth lecture related to class 9 physics, fifth chapter, that is sound. In this lecture, today we will solve some important numerical that is based on frequency, wavelength and velocity. I will say that speed, frequency, wavelength and velocity of sound wave. Because in previous lecture, that lecture number 3rd, we were discussed about the formula, or you say that relationship between frequency and time period, and frequency, wavelength and velocity. So today we will solve numericals based on that formula. Let's see first numerical. The wavelength of sound. The wavelength of sound emitted by a source is 1.7 to 10 power minus 2 meter. Wavelength, that is represented by lambda. So solution of first here, lambda is equal to 1.7 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Clear? This is the wavelength. And calculate the frequency of the sound. We have to calculate what? Frequency, that is n or nu, or in some cases we can represent by f. The frequency represented by f also. So f we have to find out. And what is further given? If its speed or velocity is given what? 343.4 meter per second. We given a 343.4 meter per second. Clear? Here two terms given, lambda and v given. We have to solve out what? Frequency. We have to calculate frequency value. Just see, as we know, V is equal to f lambda. The value of V, that is 343.4, is equal to f into lambda, means 1.7 to 10 power minus 2. Then f is equal to 343.4 upon 1.7 into 10 power minus 2. When we just remove this point from here, then multiplying with 10 in numerator, then this one becomes what? 343 and 4 points removed. Here after one digit from right side point, and here after one digit point, then point cancel out. So here 10 power minus 2 whenever transfer in numerator, then becomes what? 10 power plus 2, and this one 17. So dividing by 17, we will find 17 to the 34 and 0, 17 to the 34, that is equal to what? 10 power 2. 202 10 power 2 meter. This is the value of frequency. R we can write in standard form. F is equal to 2.02 into 10 power 4 meter. Clear? Frequency value. This is the answer of this first numerical. We have to calculate our frequency, and then f is equal to 2.02 into 10 power 4 meter. So let's note down this one. Very simple concept. Just after first, the second numerical, just see what is given. Sound waves travel with a speed of about 330. It means in this numerical, what is given? V, that is 330 meter per second. speed given. Then what is the wavelength? What is the wavelength of sound? It means we have to calculate what? Lambda. We have to calculate lambda, whose frequency is also given. F is equal to what? 550 hertz. And hertz means what? Per second. Either hertz or per second, both having same meaning. So we have to calculate lambda. So by using equation, as we know, V is equal to F lambda. Speed is equal to frequency into wavelength. Then we have to calculate lambda. So lambda is equal to speed upon frequency. Speed value 330 and here frequency 550. 0 cancel and 11 3 is 33. 11 5 is 55. That is equal to 3 upon 5. 0.56 is 30. Clear? 0.6 meter. So wavelength lambda is equal to, hence wavelength, very simple numerical, lambda is equal to 0.6 meter. This is the answer of problem number 2. Clear? Solution very easy. Only when the concept of formula is clear, then you can solve out any one numerical based on either frequency or wavelength or time period or speed. In any way we can solve out. So just see the next one, last numerical, that is based on the calculation of frequency, wavelength and velocity of sound wave. In this numerical, all the terms we have to find out. We have to find out how. Just see, a source is producing 1500 sound waves. 1500 sound waves in 3 seconds. In 3 seconds, if the distance covered by a compression and an adjacent rarefaction be 68 centimeter, then we have to find out what? Number A, frequency, number B, wavelength, and C, speed or velocity. Let's see the solution of this one. Here, in 3 seconds, number of sound wave 1500, and in 3 seconds number of sound waves, is equal to 1500. So in 1 second, number of sound wave is equal to 1500 upon 3. It is equal to what? 500. Clear? So in 1 second, number of sound wave, that is 500. It means what? This is the concept of frequency. Number of oscillation or number of sound waves in 1 second, that is frequency. Here it means frequency of sound wave is equal to 500 hertz. Clear? First solution very easy. Only dividing the 1500 by 3. It means in 1 second. Number of sound wave, that is frequency, because in 3 second number of sound wave given. So in 1 second the total number of sound in 3 seconds divided by 3, then gives what? 500 is the number of sound produced in 1 second. So frequency solution clear, and then after frequency, next one wavelength. Wavelength here given about the adjacent compression and rarefaction separated by what? 68 centimeter. Wavelength is equal to distance between two consecutive compression or in between compression and rarefaction. In between compression and rarefaction here, distance covered by compression and adjacent rarefaction. Adjacent rarefaction is what? 68 centimeter. 68 centimeter. So wavelength is equal to what? Wavelength is equal to distance between adjacent compression and rarefaction. Distance between adjacent compression and rarefaction. That is equal to what? 68 centimeter. So that is equal to 0.68 meter. Clear? In centimeter, whenever given, then we have to find out in meter, means what? Dividing by 100. Then this one becomes what? 0.68 meter. Clear? So frequency concept, that is F is equal to what? 500, and wavelength concept, that is 0.68 meter. Clear? Just note down this one. Very simple. The last concept of this third problem, that is we have to calculate what? Wavelength, velocity or speed with the help of wavelength and frequency. As frequency is equal to, just calculated, 500 hertz, and wavelength lambda is equal to 0.68 meter. Clear? Frequency and wavelength clear. Then velocity or speed is equal to frequency into wavelength. Frequency 0.68 into 500. Here 20 cancel out this one point. So 68 into 5. 5 at there 40, 4 balance, 5 is 30 and 4 34. 340 meter per second. This is the value of speed of sound. 340 meter per second. Clear? Just writing somewhat amount above because not visible clearly. 68 into 5. 68 into 5, that is 340. Because 5 is 40 and 5 is 30 and 4 34. So 340 meter per second. Unit here, that is meter per second. Speed unit, it is V. Clear? So in this way you can solve out any one numerical based on either frequency calculation or wavelength calculation or time period calculation or speed or velocity calculation. So you will try to solve much more numerical that is given in your NCERT book or in any other side book. If any confusion, then you can ask. In next lecture we will discuss about the some property of sound wave, that is how the sound produced or how sound travels and what is the behavior of sound in different mediums and what is the need of sound for propagation through a medium. Clear? So that's all for today. Have a nice day.